21st of March 2025. Just looking across from the zebra crossing, the hippie market, and just panning left into the development. You see how it's cracking on at the moment. We've got another tier of. I didn't realise we were going to be so tall. See the cranes panning round there, look. This is the pier as it stands at the moment. Could do with the paint, but they're probably waiting until they couple the two buildings together. But it's closed at the moment, so you can't actually go up there. You can have a walk onto the cafe. See if we can't get another view. Just looking across from the Bar Isler's perspective, and you can see it's fenced off, so we can't see so much, but you can see that the work is progressing. We've got a crane there picking up a lot of old fencing, and he's going to connect. We'll try to work out where it's going to connect to on the pier. I think that's where the extension's going to go. There's no other structure that could fit that bill, is there?
Not really.
It's going to come out from there and go across there. I just see at the end of the promenade where the zebra crossing is, they went across to the hippie market, and you can see now that the hippie market alleyway is a bit of a sad thing to see it go, but it's going. They're taking all the wooden huts down, and yeah, a bit of a sad thing to see that, really, because it's a very nice little place to buy little bits and pieces and to walk down. Always bustling at night time. I'm sure there'll be something in its place. So that's a bit sad, isn't it?
Oh, the hippie market's going.
It's gone? Well, it's nearly gone.
Gone.
It's 50% knocked down.
On the back streets.
Yeah, are you ready?
Yep, ready.
Try not to run anybody over. Any one of these streets on the right, we can just bob in and get back on the promenade. Are you still with us?
I'm right behind you.
You're right behind me. People won't be able to see you. Look, smell fish.
I smell fish, raw fish.
This road would take us all the way to the Crazy Beach. So we'll come off here. You can see the columnus.
Oh.
What do they call them? The column.
The columns.
The column, yeah, but in Spanish it's columnus.
Columnus.
Christopher Columnus. So we've come off here, haven't we?
We're getting off now.
We're gonna have a walk now. Tell you what, I'm hungry.
Well, do you know something?
What?
It's Friday.
Ooh, what does that mean?
You know what that means? What happens on a Friday?
Well, we normally have fish and chips.
Fish and chips. We haven't had them for a couple of weeks.
We haven't had them for ages, have we? Have we had them since we've been here?
No, I don't think we have.
Well, I don't think we'll get them round in... I don't know whether we can... Well, we could. There's a couple of places in Torrevieja we could get them. Turn my power off. But I can't think of anywhere. Maybe somebody out there can tell us if they know a nice fish and chip place. Proper English fish and chips.
Well, there is a place we do go to. We're at the wrong end. We go to the ship.
The ship? Oh, the ship do it, don't they?
Yeah.
Well, that could be a possibility, couldn't it?
I'm going to take my helmet off now.
You're taking your helmet off. Take mine off. Yeah, the ship, that's a thought, isn't it? That's not too far from here. Go back towards the marina.
We haven't been down the marina yet, have we? In fact, I think this is only the second time that we've been on the front since we've got here this time.
And how long have we been here?
3 weeks.
3 weeks. No, she's gone. She's coming now. She's just fixing her bag. You're fixing your bag?
I'm just taking my clip off the bottom of my jeans because I have to put a clip on.
Oh, yeah.
So that my jeans don't get stuck in my chain. Because they're just a little bit wider than the others. Because I got some new jeans for my birthday. Didn't I?
Yeah, you did. Did you hear about that fella that had diarrhea and he took his bicycle clips off?
No.
Oh, I'll let you think about that one.
Oh, yeah. I've got it.
Oh, they're a funny smell.
Oh. Well, I've not had any accidents, so you'll be pleased to know.
That's good. So here we are on Playa del Cura. Very, very lively sea today.
It is. Very choppy.
Yeah. Waves, it's almost surfing conditions.
Yeah. Can't see anybody actually in the sea today neither.
No, there's not many people sunbathing. It looks nice and sunny and it's quite warm, isn't it? I would say it's about 19, 20.
It's actually one of the best days we've had.
Yeah. We came on the 27th of February.
Yeah.
We're now on the 21st of March. Nearly a month we've been here.
And I think we've only had 4 sunny days.
Yeah, it has been, well, let's get them out at way. Be all changed soon. It's very pleasant though.
Mm.
You know, it's, I'd rather be here than
Oh, yeah.
in Cleckheaton. Well, I'm not dissing Cleckheaton, I like Cleckheaton. But it's definitely warm, mind you, yesterday we were warmer there, wasn't it?
It's been warmer there quite a few days, I think, really.
I think it was 20 degrees. Yeah.
But they have needed the rain in Spain. You know, you've got to think of farmers.
Got to think of the farmers.
They need the rain.
Cheap fruit and veg next couple of months. Yeah. That's what happens, isn't it?
Maybe.
Well, we can see some people on the beach now.
Oh, yeah. Not in the sea, though.
Yeah.
Handbags,
Handbags.
shoes.
Them climbing shoes again. You know some climbing shoes?
Yeah, trainers.
I train them early on, you see. Get them out of the box, put them on top of each other. Climbing shoes.
A lot of pigeons walking about.
Are there? Who's having a drink? Fresh rainwater.
What them balloons all about, do you think? Oh, I think it says Father's Day, wasn't it?
Oh, is that? Yeah.
It was Father's Day Wednesday
Yeah.
in Spain.
Yeah. Yesterday. Oh, it
No,
day
it's
before.
Friday today.
Is it? Blimey, what happened to Thursday?
We did go out yesterday.
Did we stop in yesterday?
No, we went out yesterday.
What
in the
did we do? I
afternoon.
can't remember.
Well, you got up quite late, so we didn't go out in the morning.
I got up late.
Yeah, I think about 11:30 when you rolled out of
Half
bed.
past 11?
Yeah.
You're having a laugh. I wouldn't stop in bed all that time.
And it wasn't the first time either.
What do you mean?
Oops.
Watch yourself.
So, yeah, we went to the Marina Bar yesterday.
Oh yeah, that was nice. It's always good there, isn't it?
Yeah. Had a nice lunch.
Food's always lovely there. See the past video. Put a link to it here.
And then we went up to Habaneras to
Yeah.
get my birthday present at last.
Oh yes, yeah. Did you like what I bought for you?
So I got a pair of jeans
Pair of jeans,
and a new phone case.
a new phone case. Wow. I tried to barter them down for that phone case, didn't I? But they wouldn't have it, would they?
They wouldn't have it
They
now.
wouldn't have it. It were 15. Last one I bought there were only 10.
Yeah,
So I says, will you take 12 for it? No. No, she wasn't very adaptive.
but no,
It wasn't like a Moroccan sale, were it?
no.
It wasn't like I were on the Casbah.
But we did go back and buy it, didn't we?
But we did go back and buy it because it was the best one there, wasn't it?
Yeah.
And anything, you know, only the best for you, dear.
Of course.
Isn't that right? It was a very nice material. Your favourite colour, wasn't it? Same colour as your kitchen.
Well, it's not my favourite colour. My favourite colour is yellow, but I didn't want a yellow case.
Yeah.
But I am into green at the moment, and my new kitchen in the UK is green. So my phone case is a little bit darker than my kitchen.
Right. Now it gets very windy around this corner. I'm just wondering whether we should just finish off here.
Yeah. Why does it get so windy around this corner?
Well, we're out on the edge of the peninsula, aren't we? Let's just take in the view. A little bit misty. You can
Sea's
see
very green.
green sea today. You can see the harbour development there. That's where we've come from. You can see where well, you won't be able to see it on this camera, but you might be able to see the cranes in the far distance. We've just decided to have some fish and chips at... OK, that were nice, wasn't it? You enjoy that?
Yes.
It were good, wasn't it? If you want to see what happened, because we had a bit of a misdemeanour and we didn't go to the place we were supposed to go for fish and chips, if you want to find out where we went, watch our next episode, which is out on Friday the 28th at 9 o'clock Spain time or 8 o'clock UK time.
Yeah. And I'd just like to say a big thank you to everybody that wished me a happy birthday. We had a really good day out, and if you missed our previous episode, which showed lots of birthday pictures, we'll put a link
To it here.
here.
So on that note, it's time to wrap the video. So it's a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, a thumbs down if you haven't enjoyed the video. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already.
Because it's free.
And don't forget to hit that notification bell.
3,
2, 1.
Bing!
Adios.